All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
India faces an acute water crisis that threatens its agricultural productivity, economic growth, and the health of its population. According to Niti Aayog, nearly 600 million Indians face high to extreme water stress, and about 200,000 die annually due to inadequate access to safe water. Projections suggest that by 2030, the demand for water in India will outstrip supply by 50%, making the crisis even more severe. In contrast, Israel, a country located in one of the world's most arid regions, has achieved what seems almost impossible. It has become a water surplus nation. With over 50% of its land classified as desert, Israel has leveraged cutting-edge technology, innovation, and efficient water management practices to not only meet domestic demand but also export water to neighboring countries. By adopting Israel's water management strategies, India could address its own growing water challenges. Population growth. With a population exceeding 1.4 billion, the demand for water in India is immense. Agriculture-driven demand. Agriculture consumes over 80% of India's water resources, yet the sector is plagued by inefficiencies like water-intensive crops and flood irrigation. Urbanization. Rapid urban growth has led to over-extraction of groundwater, with 70% of India's groundwater resources already contaminated or overused. Central Groundwater Board, 2021. Climate change, irregular rainfall, depleting glaciers, and increasing temperatures exacerbate water shortages. Israel's story is one of necessity-driven innovation. The country receives an average annual rainfall of only 100 mm to 700 mm, yet it has managed to secure its water needs through a combination of advanced technology, policy reforms, and public awareness. Key components of Israel's water strategy include desalination, meeting 80% of its domestic water needs through seawater desalination. Wastewater recycling, recycling 94% of its wastewater, the highest in the world. Drip irrigation, saving water and improving agricultural productivity through micro-irrigation systems. Water governance, comprehensive laws and policies to ensure sustainable usage and minimize wastage. India, with its vast agricultural base, long coastline, and growing urban centers, stands to gain significantly from adopting these technologies and strategies. Desalination, tapping India's coastline. India has a coastline spanning 7,517 kilometers, making it an ideal candidate for seawater desalination. Israel's advancements in desalination technology provide a blueprint for cost-effective and energy-efficient solutions. Israel's achievements. Israel's Sorek desalination plant, one of the largest in the world, produces 627,000 cubic meters of drinking water per day, serving nearly 20% of the country's population. The plant operates using reverse osmosis technology, reducing energy consumption and operating costs. Potential in India. While India has a few desalination plants, such as those in Chennai, they meet only a fraction of the demand. By investing in large-scale desalination infrastructure, India could supply water to coastal cities like Mumbai, Chennai, and Visakhapatnam, alleviating the burden on inland freshwater sources. Policy and governance lessons. Israel's water success is as much about policy as technology. Key aspects of its governance framework include comprehensive water laws, regulating water usage and pricing to ensure accountability and sustainability. Public awareness campaigns, educating citizens on water conservation, resulting in per capita water usage as low as 100 liters per day, compared to India's urban average of 135 liters per day. Institutional efficiency, centralized water management under Mekorot, Israel's national water company, ensures streamlined planning and execution. India, with its fragmented water governance and overlapping authorities, can benefit from a unified and efficient approach inspired by Israel. Indo-Israel collaboration. India and Israel have already established strong ties in water technology through initiatives like Indo-Israel Agricultural Project, IIP, operating in 29 centers of excellence across India, focusing on water-efficient farming techniques. India-Israel Innovation Bridge, promoting joint ventures in water management and agricultural technology. Gujarat-Israel Partnership, Gujarat has partnered with Israeli firms to set up desalination plants and implement drip irrigation projects. Scaling these collaborations could lead to nationwide adoption of Israeli technologies. Data-driven impact. Agriculture. By adopting drip irrigation on 50% of India's farmland, water consumption could drop by 30%, saving 200 billion cubic meters annually. Urban water supply. Reducing water loss in urban networks by just 10% could save 1 billion liters daily in cities like Delhi. Wastewater recycling. Recycling 50% of India's wastewater could provide an additional 19 billion cubic meters of water annually for agriculture. India's water crisis is a challenge of immense proportions, but it is not insurmountable. By leveraging Israel's technological expertise and policy framework, India can transform its water management systems and secure a sustainable future. With the right investments, collaborations, and public-private partnerships, India and Israel can lead the world in addressing one of humanity's most pressing issues, water security.